What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. How to trade NAS100, the only NAS100 strategy you're ever going to need to predict the direction price is going every single day. Now, this is your first time on the channel. Welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we also post trading tip videos, trading plan videos, trading psychology videos. On top of that, we also live stream and live trade every day, London session 3 and EST on this very same channel. We also have a free signal, free Telegram. There's the first link in the description. This is how we did last month, October. We caught a total of 157,608 pips, 125,674 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. In the month 32.5, giving us an 86% win rate. Now, this is how we did last quarter. July, we went 34 wins, 3 losses. August, we took 45 wins, 7 losses. And in September, we took 27 wins, 4 losses, catching 105,389 pips July, 219,708 pips in August, and 16,634 pips in September, giving us a total of 341,731 pips caught, 323,385 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. In the quarter, 106 wins, 14 losses, giving us an 88% win rate. Every trade posted has the date, the time the trade was posted, my personal entry, SL, TPs, how many people viewed or entered the trade, reactions, and of course those TPs getting hit. So make sure to go ahead and check that out. Now let's get straight into this video. So the NAS trade we're breaking down is going to be this one on Monday, December 11th. This was, as you can see, a nice huge 1-to-7 risk reward setup. So that means whatever I was risking, I made 7 times that amount. So I was risking $100, I made $700. If I was risking $1,000, I made $7,000 off this one trade alone. And again, we broke this down. It was looking for the setup during the London session live stream on Monday, December 11th. So make sure to check that stream out. It's going to be linked in the comments below. Now, this was the signal. Now, this was a members only play, but like I said, I broke this down live, but members get priority. They always get the first trade of the day. So you can see this was December 11th. You can see my personal entry, SL, the time the trade was entered, which was 4:17 a.m. So again, an hour into London session, you see the TPs. And then this is the New York price watchers. I drop this every day for the members. You see we took another trade. You see TP3 got hit. You see the TPs getting hit. You see the GU TPs getting hit. And then you see, the final TP got hit towards the middle of New York session, right? So this is a huge trade, huge win. So now let's break down why we took this trade and how you can catch a similar setup. So the first thing you want to do is identify the trend. Now, if you don't understand how to identify the trend, pause this video. I got y'all. Go ahead and click the video that just popped up on the top right or left side of your screen, and then come back to this video, because again, it's very important how to understand how to read the charts, because that's how we both make money and lose money. So once you're back from that video, come back to this one. All right, so as we can clearly see from that video, we're clearly in an uptrend. We see clear highs getting made, but then we also saw some consolidation. But as we can see here on Friday, price broke that level. So since price broke that level, just like I mentioned in the Sunday chart analysis, that means we're going to be looking for some buy setups. So like I always tell members and students, if everything's showing us buys, only go for buys. Everything's showing us sells, only go for sells. So now that we know we're in an uptrend, which means we want to look for buy setups, that's when we want to mark off our key price levels and then look for that entry point. So bam, now we have our key price levels marked out. So then this is where we want to go in the smaller time frame to identify where we want. Then this is where we want to go in the smaller time frame to look for our setup. Again, we want to enter buys off support and we want to enter sells off resistance. So not only do we want to wait for price to break this level, but we want to see and confirm that it can hold this level as a support. So here's the retest. We see price broke below it a little bit. So again, we don't want to enter where price is below. We want to wait for price to hold it as support. That's when we want to look for the buy. So we saw some consolidation here. Then we saw price break this level, held as support right here. So let's pause this really quick. So we entered the buy on this candlestick right here. So after price held this as support, we entered off this retest here. We got stuck in a little consolidation and drawdown, but like always, you want to hold to SL or TP gets hit. After a few hours, price was consolidated. It finally broke out that level, and then we can see here at 9:30, this was a 9 o'clock candlestick, this was a 9:30 EST. So right when the markets opened for this indices, that's when volume started to kick in. And then guess what? We started seeing price start to move, consolidate a little bit, then boom, hit our final TP. And then from there, I held this into the next day, which was Tuesday, right? So from when Monday ended, we was at a nice 1 to 3, almost 1 to 4 risk reward. But holding this into Tuesday, because again, we're following the flow of price. We're not just catching a bounce or retracement, we're catching higher highs and lower lows. I was able to add another position and continue to see price push up to the upside. Again, it's literally that simple. You want to identify the trend, mark off your key price levels, enter buys and support, sells off resistance, find your TP, find your SL, calculate your lot size, and then let price do what it's going to do. Because again, we do not control price, we do not control the markets. So what we want to put all our time and energy on is understanding how to read the charts, but then also figuring out and understand what we do control, which is what? When we enter a trade, when we exit a trade, how much we're risking for trade. All right, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free signal room, free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how I mark up these levels or interested in the signal room or my services, hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. So the advanced play signal room, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal room, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York price watch list. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible setups going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York price watch list. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play signal room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long. But you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are an hour long, and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.